A 2025 clinical report reveals a stunning discovery: the real driver of type 2 diabetes may not be sugar, carbs, or even insulin resistance, but a newly identified hormone that silently disrupts your body's ability to regulate glucose. This hormone, recently uncovered by Harvard researchers, acts like a metabolic saboteur. It blocks insulin signals, inflames your pancreas, and triggers uncontrollable blood sugar spikes, even if you're eating healthy. And until now, no one knew how to stop it. That's why scientists developed a natural blood sugar fix, a breakthrough protocol designed to neutralize this hormone and restore your body's natural glucose rhythm. Backed by peer-reviewed studies, this approach is helping thousands reverse type 2 diabetes in as little as 14 days. The formula works in two phases. First, it calms the hormonal disruption at the cellular level. Then, it reactivates your insulin receptors, allowing your body to absorb glucose efficiently, without drugs, injections, or restrictive diets. People are reporting A1C drops from 10.8 to 5.4. Cravings gone. Energy restored. Brain fog lifted. And for many, weight loss that feels effortless, simply by fixing the root cause. This isn't about managing symptoms. It's about correcting the metabolic malfunction that's been overlooked for decades. The Harvard diabetes breakthrough at the core of this protocol is now being called the most important discovery in endocrinology since insulin itself. If you've been told your condition is irreversible, that you'll need meds for life, or that your pancreas is burned out, it's time to challenge that narrative. This natural blood sugar fix is helping people of all ages reclaim their health and their freedom. The 2025 clinical report reveals how this newly identified hormone works, and why neutralizing it may be the key to reversing type 2 diabetes naturally. Discover how this protocol is restoring lives, and how you can start your own transformation today.